Hurricane Helene was a devastating blow to several communities. Offering its support, Troy Utilities sent 8 linemen to Greenwood, South Carolina, to do what they could to help.
There's a lot of wind damage there, mostly trees down where it's got power lines on the ground. It's broke poles, blocked roads.
Almost 2 weeks after the devastation started, hundreds of thousands of people are still left without power. Brian Chandler, general manager of Troy Utilities, says restoring power lines is their #1 concern.
That's what they're doing day in and day out for 16 plus hours a day. They're rebuilding power lines, essentially, starting with the ones that serve the most people or critical facilities first, and then working out into smaller areas.
He says it can be a long and arduous process.
They typically start about 6 in the morning and sometimes work to 8 or 10 o'clock at night. And then go back to a hotel, shower, and go to sleep and get up and do it again the next day.
Troy Utilities' response was an offering of mutual aid, or when one utility extends support to another.
While they're focusing on restoration, then those other state and national associations work to match crew needs from out of state or in state to those that are needed.
If roles were reversed, Chandler explains he would want someone there to help them.
You're helping people who are in desperate need, helping to get them electricity so they can have refrigeration, so they can have air conditioning, so they can have, power and lights and internet and whatever else in their home. One day it might be us that's calling for help.
Troy Utilities workers say they make it a point to always be willing and able to lend a hand wherever they're needed. Sarah Campbell, Troy, TrojanVision News.